Good morning to all. I am Savandika. I am studying third standard. Today talk about my topic is Karma Veera Kamarajar. Kamarajar was great Indian Independence Day activist and politician. Kamarajar was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar. Their parents Kumarasamy and Sivagami Ammal. Kamarajar served as the CM of Tamil Nadu, opened many schools, dance mega industries in Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar free education, free midday in our government school. Kamarajar government was known as the golden period in Tamil Nadu. Thanks to all.
கை தட்டுங்கம்மா.